Hello everyone, welcome to ProTechnoid. So in this video we'll see how to change display resolution on your Windows system. Go to your desktop and right click on it and click on display settings and make sure you are in the display menu. Scroll down and you can find the display resolution option here. So in my system the recommended display resolution is 1920 into 1080. So if you want to change, you can change from the list of resolutions available in the drop down. Let's say I'm changing 1680 into 1050. So if you want, you can keep the changes, click on keep changes, or else you can click on revert. So it will go to the recommended resolution. So this is how we need to change the display resolution. In case you want to change the size of the text tabs and other items, you can change the scaling percentage here, minus 125 percentage recommended. So if I want 100 percentage, so it has been changed to 100 percentage. And for me it is looking very small, so I'll go with the recommended one. So friends, this is how we need to change display resolution and scaling, and you also have an option to change the display orientation. Right now it is in landscape. If I want to change it to portrait, if you have a monitor which you can change in different direction, you can use these options. For me, I don't need it, so I'm clicking on revert. So this is how we need to change display resolution and other display settings in Windows. If you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.